How to run any CS2 Workshop maps in GeForce Now. The first things first is just pull up or open up your client of GeForce Now. Then once you open it up, make sure that your account on GeForce Now or NVIDIA is fully activated. If not, just simply visit their official site, log into your account, and click on Join Now. The next thing to do is you have to add the CS2 on your GeForce Now library. Once you have successfully added it, all you have to do next is to run the workshop maps on CS2 after launching the CS2 itself. And once launched, all you have to do next is just simply subscribe to the specific map on the workshops on your preferred one. And that's simply it. So that's how you run any workshop maps in CS2 using the GeForce Now.